Alright, guys. I got fidget spinner pens! I'm not doing a giveaway. I'm soon gonna do
Washing up.
once I am able to buy fidget spinners. But anyway, yeah. Fidget spinner pens, you can go and pick them up at a Walmart, I think.
Just like your mum.
They might not be at the Walmart you live in,
I don't live in Walmart.
but they are in the Walmart I live in. Okay, and my friend Mason also knows the Walmart, and he can go and check these out. These are really cool. They're fidget pens, and yeah. There's like different colors. There's like black and orange and red and green and other colors, I think, like purple and stuff. I think that was it. Anyway, guys, so yeah, bye.